Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeByTushu and happy Tuesday everyone, and I hope your week has started with lots of energy and motivation. And sorry guys, I could not upload a video yesterday, but I had already solved yesterday's problem. So today you will get videos for both yesterday and today's question. So now let's get start guys, and as always we are back with another LeetCode daily challenge that we help you improve your problem solving skill and prepare for coding interview. So today's problem is LeetCode 3689 maximum total subquery value. So at first glance this problem may look like it requires completed subquery and calculate, and but once we careful observe the question, and then solution becomes simple. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, problem understanding. We are given a array as a integer array nums and integer k. So we need to choose exactly k subarray, and the value of the subarray is defined as a maximum element and minimum element. Finally, we need to maximum the total value of all. Choose subquery. Also remember, subquery may overlap the same subquery can even be chosen multiple times. So important observation like this is the key observation of the entire problem. Since the same subquery can be selected multiple times, we only need to find the subquery that gives the maximum possible value. And what is the maximum possible value? It is simply a global maximum element, global minimum element, because no subquery can produce a value larger than the difference between the largest and smallest element in the entire array. Once we find this value, we can simply choose that same subquery k times. Therefore, answer equal global maximum global minimum equal to k. So this sub observation convert this look a different problem into a very easy one. So approach traverse the array once and find the minimum element. And step 2 is traverse the array and find the maximum element, then compute, then return the final result, and very clean and very efficient. So let's move to Java implement. So first of all, Java like class solution as a class solution, and as a function solution. Then next line is intelligent min the initialization min with the largest possible integer, so that every array element can update it. And next line is initialization max with the smallest possible integer, so that every element can update it. Next is use the for loop like traverse element array, and next update the smallest, next update the largest, and condition is and the loop. So next line is return the calculate the maximum possible subquery value, and next is function the end, and save the code and submit the code. Guys, code is complete. So then we will wait guys, and code is right and complete strict 57 days guys, and thank you so much guys. And complete history 57 days, and click the cross button, and case 1 and case 2. So and case 2, and find minimum, like time complexity, finding minimum and finding maximum. So overall omega n, and space complexity omega 1, because constant extra space. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's problem. I hope that's for yesterday's problem. I hope you now clearly understand why this solution only need the global minimum and maximum instead of checking every possible subarray. If this explanation helped you, don't forget like this video, comment your approach, and subscribe to CodeByTushu channel, and share with your coding friends. So thank you so much guys, and have you amazing yesterday, like Tuesday. Keep practicing consistency, and I will see you the next video, LeetCode daily challenge. Until then, keep coding. Thank you guys.